Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable mouse acceleration for better aiming in Marvel Rivals. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to close our Steam launcher or Epic Games, and then we're going to head to here and then search for run. From here, we're going to search for percentage, local app data percentage, just like this, write it down, and then click on OK. Once you're here, you're going to search for a folder called Marvel. When you locate the folder, double click it, go to saved, go to config, go to Windows, and then you're going to find this folder right here. Right click it, and then go to open with, and then notepads. Now you're going to scroll all the way down until you see this line, make a new line, and then we're going to copy this script right here. I'm going to leave it in the description for you to copy it as well. Ctrl C, and then from here just add it on the last line, and then simply go to here, and then save it. Then close. Finally, before you leave the game, right click on the game user settings, go to properties, and make sure that it's ticked on the read only so that it doesn't automatically change back the settings. Click apply, okay, and there you go. Now we're done. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.